Good morning, Sunday. Ayan, 12:58. Update lang kung ano mangyayari today. Ano nga ba? So today, walang mangyayari. Pupunta lang kami sa car show. Wala lang. Maglakad-lakad lang ulit. Check the cars. Yeah, this is gonna be the second time na pupunta kami sa car show. And Madam and MC shout out sa aking buhok. I'll see you guys later. And peace out.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you. We need to slow.
That's very tall.
I got a deal for you. You in the car, the girls will stand next to it so you can take their picture.
Woo! Look at Dad would have liked this one, really. At Torino. No, not today, Mikey. I didn't wear the cowboy hat today. I'm feeling a little baseballish today. What is this creation? I gotta see this Mustang over here.
I got they use 5 waves, like 530 in that, or even 030. You know why that is? That's way too fast. Those are the clearances. Oh yeah. You got
They're bashing each other. Like you Chevy guys really know nothing about that. You should have seen a Cutlass that was in here, Mikey. Oh man, it's got a 5.3 LS motor. It's really nice. Ooh, look at that one over there, dude. Oh, you messed it up, 442. Speaking about Cutlass, there goes another one. Look at this Daytona, baby.
blew the rear main seal out of the motor.
It's amazing what these cars are worth. I've seen them for $300,000.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it.
I wanted some seats like this, man, but I can't find them. And you know why I like these seats? Just because of the simple fact, because it says Camaro right there. Man, look at Charlie. This is how Daddy's car is going to look when it's finished. We need to hurry up and finish Daddy's car, Papa, so we can bring our car here. So we can show off our car too. Yeah. Uh-huh.
We need to slow down. Embrace the love we found for you and our safe and sound. We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us.
It's Mario.
We have several unclaimed door prizes. Now here's the next round of door prizes. Entry number 54, Pete Shirtoli. Entry number 33,
My
Justin
Mexican
Smith.
Hugo.
Entry number 705, Carl Pulaski. Entry number 428, Larry Wilson. Entry number 753,
Oh my God.
Richard
Look at this,
Faber
Faye.
Jr. And entry number
Woo,
6,
look
John
at that. Oh my
Edgar
God.
Menches.
Hey, really?
Entry 54,
Really?
33, 705, 428, 753, and number 6.
Don't touch it, okay? This is your guy's car? I have to say this is by far probably the best car here, buddy. It's nice.
It's fun.
I bet it is. They say that it feels really different handling wise having that engine right there, right?
It is like driving a go-kart.
That's what they tell me.
It just sticks.
Sticks,
You
right?
go around the corner and it just sticks.
Sticks, huh?
Very cool.
Nice car. Nice car. This car got the engine right in the back seat, Faye.
So can we just love?
Don't touch it, but I can take it to the track and drive 9 seconds on it.
The only thing I do is lay here next to you. We need to slow down.
See those old cars, Faye? Ooh, you see the plane, Charlie? Hey, Juani, look at this one. Woo! Hey, 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 hey. Hey, man. Oh, man, look at this. Whoa. Oh, man. Look at the color on this one. Ooh.
Okay, I know Dave's out here someplace, but he's gonna give away this car. We're gonna do it pretty shortly. I think we got a few minutes left here. We want to sell some more tickets. Again, a lot of people buy them at the end. You know, you never know. We have a lot in this drum here, but it only takes one ticket, or you can buy more than one. And again, we got a lot of cash prizes on this. That's what I was just talking about. It isn't just the car. We said, well, I couldn't use the car, but anybody can use cash. So again, we're gonna give away this car here at 3 o'clock, a little bit after. So if you want to get some last minute
Yeah, look at this bourbon.
we do have a few left. Come on up and grab some of those right here at the tent, at the Raffle tent. I believe they still have 50-50 left, not many.
See, baby? When my car's done, it's gonna look somewhat.
Tom Kensler, where are you at?
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time. Buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just
Who? No, really, it's really getting excited, and he keeps on walking. Dooley's getting excited over there.
Okay, we got just a few people filling out tickets right now. We're going to extend it 15 minutes. 15 minutes. At 3:15, no matter how many people are standing here buying tickets, the car is going. They've agreed to give these people another 15 minutes to fill out tickets, and at 3:15, away
Yeah,
goes the car.
that IROC did look mint,
Ready
didn't
or
it?
not, she's going.
Man, beautiful.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down? The only thing I'll do is lay here next to you.
Oh, that's awesome. Hey, look at Faye. We can live here. Look at that. Yeah, we got a fridge. We got a kitchen.
4 of us fit there.
Man, this is nice.
It does.
Wow.
That's all that just started trying to. Yeah, that is exactly.
Where's the fridge, Daddy?
Right here.
Oh, that's, oh yeah, that's
This is awesome. That's awesome.
microwave right there.
That's really cool. Look at this Woody right here. I just got a Woody.
Losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them.
Give me the 2,000.
We just slow
Holy mackerel.
Well,
Here's an extra $2,000. It is Greg Stilla. Greg Stilla.
Greg. Damn you, Greg.
Greg Stilla. STILP. Have a phone number. $1,000 winner.
Show us some love. Show us some love. I would have been running up there right now, Faye. Run. Uh-oh.
Here's the first $500. David Gillespie. David Gillespie. Princeton, Illinois. David Gillespie.
For real, right?
Sounds like a name.
Another 500.
Felix.
Mel.
We were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow